Welcome to Raisins.live, your all-in-one platform for experimental data analysis. To get started, click the Statistical Genetics tab and choose Stability Analysis, Eberhart and Russell's model. Tap Get Started to reach the login page. Then enter your email and password to sign in. Once you're in, go to the Analysis tab. Click Browse to upload your data file. After uploading the file, you need to select the Environment column. Next comes the Genotype column. Then select the Block or Replication column, and then select the response. Click Run Analysis to generate your results. No calculation, no stress, just tailor-made outputs you can copy and paste straight into your report. You can download the output in Word, PDF, or HTML formats. In order to identify the performance of each genotype at different locations, a separate location-wise ANOVA is available under the Location-wise ANOVA tab. This analysis is used to evaluate how genotypes perform within each specific environment. For presentation-ready visuals, head to the Plots and Graphs tab to create Stability Coefficient Plot, Deviation Plot, Regression Plot, Stability Heat Map, Lines Plot, 3D Wireframe Plot, Bubble Plot, Biplot, Genotype Box Plot, Environment Box Plot. All plots are fully customizable. You can customize them according to your needs. In the AI Interpretation tab, Raisins Assistant provides clear and insightful summaries of your data. If you have any doubts, click FAQs, get started with Raisins.live and make your data speak.